Moving through the city like me, I love the city life. Ass in the titty right, tryna get busy like me, a jiggy man, yeah. So me tryna get jiggy like. Shout out to my all tech girls, one time, and my all tech boys too.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. If this is your first time here, I'm a Nigerian fashion, lifestyle and beauty blogger. I'm also Irish, in case you hear a little bit of an Irish accent in there. Let's jump straight into today's video. Today's video is all about my pixie wig. Yay! So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a beginner friendly way to make a pixie wig. I'm going to be sewing it. Now, it does take you a while to make the wig if you're going to sew it, but I think sewing it is the best way to ensure that it's durable and it lasts you a very long time. So if you'd like to see how I made this wig, then keep watching. If you guys ever wonder why I always wear a bandeau when I film, I'll tell you why. It's because I have so many lights and it gets so hot that if you're a YouTuber, you will understand what I'm saying. It just gets hella itchy and hot. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Obviously, you're gonna need some scissors. I'm using an eyebrow razor, surprisingly, and you're also going to need some thread and needle. Obviously, we're gonna be sewing. So I'm using a netty wig cap. I like this one because it has an adjustable strap. The netty caps are really breathable, so I kind of really like it. Net cap? I said netty cap. All the details of the hair I'm using is down below. It's the Janet Collection Prestige weft wig. It's like 27 pieces, and it has like a large, a medium and a small for the back, so you can arrange it however you like. It's up to you. I'm starting at the back with the small, and then I'm just gonna sew. When I reach the same length as my ear, I'm gonna start using the middle. My man is my man. My man is my man, is your man, her is her man too. My man is my man, is your man, her, that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied. In the front, I'm going to start with the small lengths again, so that it transitions into the bigger lengths and it's just naturally flowing. Kind of sew when I sew. Your sewing doesn't have to be perfect with a pixie wig, simply because nobody can see the stitches. It takes you forever because the wefts are so thin. It's not like when you're making a long wig where the wefts are a bit thicker. With pixie wigs, because you want them to be super flat, the wefts are super thin, so it's gonna take you a while if you're gonna sew, but I think sewing is so worth it. So if you have a free Saturday or something, definitely do that and sew it. For the top part, I just went around in a circle with the longer lengths, and I just sewed and sewed and sewed. So now I'm just sewing down the closure bit that comes with the Janet Collection hair, which is really handy because then you don't have to make your own closure. And that's the wig done. It's very simple. When it comes to cutting, I used an eyebrow razor and I just cut and cut and cut, and I cut the wigs in angles. If you notice, I'm doing it really slowly because with pixie wigs, if you make a mistake, that's just it. It's just done. It's done. would advise that you try the wig on as you're cutting it. Take breaks, that way you can try it on and see your progress. Always check your progress as you're cutting. I couldn't find my clippers anywhere when I was trying to make this wig, and I think it was just God telling me that not on my watch, put that clipper down, because I would have ruined it if I used a clipper. So yeah, it's just super simple. I think this is so simple. I think anybody can make a pixie wig, so give it a try. If you don't like the sewing method, you can try the gluing method. If you guys want to see me do the gluing method, do comment down below and I'll definitely do a gluing method. Now I have to say, I've never been confident with pixie wigs. Like, I would never go out with a pixie wig before, but after making this one, I feel so confident going out with this on. I'd go to church with this, I go on a date with this. I definitely want to know what you guys think about my pixie wig. Like, comment down below, let me know. Do you think it suits me? I love how flat it is. It's not super full. You can make a super full one if you want. It's so up to you. That's the great thing about pixie wigs. You can style them however you like. Summertime fine, yes.
Stay clean on my level. Oh Lord, getting on my level. Moving through the city like me, I love the city life. Ass in the titty right, trying to get busy like me, a jiggy man, yeah. So me trying to get jiggy like. Shout out to my all tech girls. One time. My all tech boys too. See, they love the boy and the...
When I finished cutting, all I did was style it with some mousse. Like, literally, I just put some mousse. That's not even worth showing you guys. I put some mousse on my head and I just boop, 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 it up, woo, and you're good to go. I also flattened the top part so that everything just stays crisp and flat and whatnot, and guys, I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Definitely want you guys to give it a try. As you give it a try, send me pictures, ask me for advice. I'm on Snapchat, don't be shy. All you have to do is text me, I'll reply, and if I don't, text me again and then I'll reply, because I'm a shit ass texter. I'm just being honest, okay? Just text me until I reply. I will reply by fire, by force, okay? So guys, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, do make sure you hit that like button. You don't know how much that means to me. It helps me know when you guys like what I've produced as a content creator. Subscribe, whatever, okay? Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Do check out my last video, which was my 16 hacks every woman should know. I literally have to drink coffee because I'm so tired. Oh my god. Okay, bye.